Hi, I'm Justin Cook with RE/MAX Solutions. I'm here at my newest listing in the luxury Tract neighborhood of Estates at the Spectrum, just south of the 202 freeway in Gilbert. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home sits on nearly 12,000 square foot lot, which is over 1/4 of an acre. The home is gorgeous. It has a gourmet kitchen, 10-foot ceilings, upgraded flooring, plantation shutters, and much more. The backyard is also amazing. It has a manicured lawn, a covered patio, built-in barbecue, and a Sundance spa that conveys. This is a great home at a great price. I know you're gonna love it. Let's go take a look. Thank you for viewing this home. I hope that you liked it, but it's better to see it in person. To schedule your own private showing, call me at 602-405-2665. You can also email me at justin@justincookhomes.com. Thank you.